Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Martine Chiella. In today's video, we are doing a little treatment for my daughter's hair before we style it. This weekend is her birthday weekend, so we're just giving her a little treatment so she can feel lovely for this weekend right here. So I've already taken off her braids, and the treatment is a Mayo treatment, which I often do. And these are the ingredients that you can possibly mix. This is a version that you can possibly mix as well. And I have already done this mix already before for you guys on this channel from my own hair. And in here I have just a little bit of mayo, 1 egg, and then I'm just going to be adding a little bit of oil and honey to this mix right here. So it's this simple. I'm going to mix that up and get basing in her hair. So what this does, it just it's a little protein. It's just to strengthen the hair a bit. I like to do a little something when I do take off like braids that she's had in for about 3 to 4 weeks. So just so that, you know, her hair has a little bit of strength in between before I style it for like the next thing. And because I don't have like that much space time that I'm leaving in between to kind of let her scalp a little bit breathe a little bit from like those protective hairstyles, I wanted to do a little something in between, and I thought this was the perfect thing. She's saying hello to you guys. She's super excited to do this vlog. She loves kind of picking up the phone and kind of pretending that she's vlogging. So I told her that she's going to be helping me out on this video right here, and she was super excited. So you guys are going to see a little bit more of her later on and her speaking to the camera. I started off by putting just like a little bit so that she can feel like it on her scalp, because it was a little bit cold, like not super cold, but it was cold. But she didn't mind it. She liked it. She didn't mind the coolness of the texture of the mayo. So that's what I did. And once everything was okay, we tested it out, and I was just able to kind of like pour it in. It has a very kind of runny consistency. It's not thick at all. And yeah, so I'm working with a towel there just to keep it from dripping on her as well as my chair. So I'm sitting in the dining room just for the sake of filming purposes, because I wasn't going to be able to film in the bathroom properly while I'm applying this, which is the place that we normally would apply something like this. But it's okay. We'll work in the dining room today. So we all know that hair days are usually longer days for us when we have to take out our hair, treat it, and then restyle it again. So I try not to overdo it with the amount of hours that I spent on her. So I just dedicated about an hour in taking out all of her braids before. And so she had medium-sized braids, which she kept in her hair for about 4 weeks, like I said. And so I took like about an hour, and then I had to decide whether I wanted to spend that additional hour in terms of like the style that I was going to be going with. But we ended up just simplifying things in the end and doing something that did not even take more than 10 minutes. So today, and also when with the mask here, the hair mayo mask that I'm putting in her hair right now, what I'm doing is I'm just working it into her hair. I love the feeling of how it makes her hair feel. As you can see, it really brings out like her curls, and like it feels really nice on her hair. Like her hair feels very nice. So I like that, and for me, I just feel like it's doing something, right? So with a mask like this Mayo mask, I try to keep it in for her about 25 to 30 minutes. It's more than enough. The thing about it is she's gonna sit through it. She loves self-care moments. So any self-care moments that she gets, she will sit through it, right? She will not even budge. So I'm putting a piece of paper here so it doesn't like run in front of her face. And this is just like a cap that I picked off at the dollar store. So this is what I use on her when I'm doing her treatment days. I did not have any of those plastic bags that we normally get back in the day where we would just wrap it up and then throw it away. So these days they hardly give us any plastic bags. So this is what I use, and the rest I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Hopefully it's gonna be okay, because I'm thinking of putting it in my own hair in about a day or two. So hopefully it's good. So yeah, so now it's just waiting time. Like I said, it's gonna be a wait of like 25 to 30 minutes. She literally sat there this entire time and she did not move. Like I said, she loves self-care. Any little self-care thing that she's doing, like we're doing with her or doing for her, she'll sit through it and she will enjoy it. Okay, our 25-minute is up. Now we're heading upstairs just to wash out the hair and just get her prepped so that we can then come downstairs and style. And of course, somebody is following us everywhere we're going. Let's see how the hair is looking. So after sitting for a little bit, as you guys can see, like this custard here, Mayo custard that we just whipped up here, really makes her curls pop and makes her hair feel very nice and soft. So once, like, you know, when we're rinsing it off, so it's not like completely like dried or anything like that. And the paper just helps so that it doesn't run in her eyes. She's all excited about like the final result. Here she is showing you guys her shampoo and conditioner that she's currently using. She's thinking she's vlogging right here. Unfortunately, I couldn't use the volume there because Jeremiah was right there listening to some Coco Melon and of course copyright infringement. Here she is showing you guys the leave-in conditioner as well as the oil that's going to be going in her hair now. When I'm putting in the oil as well as the leave-in conditioners, these are just more opportunities for me just to massage the product into her hair as well as massage her scalp so that she gets good blood circulation, just to stimulate the scalp so that the hair can grow well. I am also mindful of the amount of product that I'm using on her hair. I don't overcake her hair as well, so that's something to keep in mind as well, because that's just going to start creating buildup and it's going to defeat the entire purpose of everything. If you have been enjoying my videos, if you enjoyed this one, I would love for you to hit that like button for me down below. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what kind of products you guys use on your kids, if you have any kids or yourself. And this is our final result that we are going to be rocking this weekend for her birthday weekend. I hope you guys like it. Leave a like down below for Hopi and let her know she did an amazing job and she is looking gorgeous. Thank you all so very much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye for now.